Stop scrolling and start saving. Did you know Dollar Tree now sells high-end skincare dupes, viral home decor, and tech gadgets that rival big department stores? But you have to know what to look for. I filtered through the junk to bring you the top 20 absolute best items of 2026. We are talking about $48 dupes selling for just $1.25. Get your screenshots ready, because these items fly off the shelves. Let's count them down. Kicking off at 20 are the foil balloons. Party City charges $5 to $8 for these, but here they are just $1.25. Whether it's numbers or characters, they hold helium for days. It is the exact same quality foil used by expensive party stores. Why burn money on birthdays when you don't have to? Number 19 is the 2-pack melamine sponges. These are chemically identical to the name brand Magic erasers that cost triple the price. Just wet them and they erase scuffs from walls and grime from sneakers instantly. You get the same cleaning power without paying for the fancy logo. At 18, stop overpaying for greeting cards. Drugstores charge up to $7, but Dollar Tree offers Hallmark and Heartline cards for just $0.5 or $1. The paper stock is thick, the designs are modern, and you get premium envelopes included. It is the smartest way to save hundreds of dollars a year. Number 17 is the reusable silicone baking mat. This replaces parchment paper forever. It is non-stick, easy to clean, and fits standard cookie sheets perfectly. A similar mat on Amazon costs $10 or more. It is an eco-friendly kitchen upgrade that pays for itself after just one use. At 16, check the tech aisle for adjustable phone stands. In 2026, the quality has improved drastically. They are sturdy, foldable, and perfect for watching videos. Why spend $15 on a plastic stand online when this does the exact same job? It holds even large phones securely without tipping over. Number 15 is hardcover books. Dig through the shelves to find New York Times bestsellers originally priced at $28 or $30. These are brand new publisher overstocks, not used. It is the cheapest way to build a personal library or find expensive-looking gifts. Always look behind the front row. At 14 is Crafter's Square Vinyl. If you have a Cricut machine, stop buying expensive rolls. These sheets weed easily and stick permanently to glass or mugs. For small projects, it performs just as well as the big brands like Oracle for a fraction of the cost. A total steal for crafters. Number 13 is vacuum storage bags. These are essential for storing winter coats. Hook up your vacuum, suck the air out, and save 80% of your closet space instantly. They are airtight and waterproof. Competitors charge $10 for similar bags, making this a massive organization hack for just $1.25. At 12, grab the trendy glassware. The ribbed cups and can-shaped glasses are dupes for high-end brands like Pottery Barn or Libby. They are heavy, durable, and aesthetic for iced coffee. A set of 4 costs $5 here versus $30 at a department store. These sell out instantly. Number 11 is the freeze-dried fruit. These are 100% natural with no added sugar, exactly like the expensive health food brands at Whole Foods. They are perfect for toddlers or oatmeal toppings. You get a healthy, crunchy snack for a quarter of the grocery store price. Grab the strawberries. Breaking into the top 10 with makeup blending sponges. The new latex-free sponges expand when wet, becoming incredibly soft just like the $20 original beauty blender. They apply foundation flawlessly without soaking up product. It is a professional makeup finish for pocket change. Don't buy the hard ones, look for these soft ones. Number 9 is LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. This yellow bottle is legendary. It is a concentrated degreaser that removes spray paint, grease, and bloodstains better than $10 cleaners. You can dilute it, so one bottle lasts for months. It is the strongest chemical you can buy for $1. At 8, we have peel and stick wall tiles. These 3D textured tiles are perfect for a budget backsplash or upgrading a rental. They stick firmly but are removable with heat. You can transform a bathroom wall in an afternoon for under $20. It looks like real tile on camera. Number 7 is clear acrylic organizers. Get the home edit look for pennies. These stackable bins and drawer dividers are crystal clear and sturdy. Perfect for organizing makeup or pantries. They make your home look professionally organized without the Container Store price tag. The plastic quality is surprisingly high. At 6 is Be Pure hand sanitizer sprays. These are direct dupes for the $10 Touchland mists at Sephora. They come in sleek, flat bottles that fit in your pocket and smell like watermelon or mint. They are non-sticky, hydrating, and look incredibly high-end. You save nearly $9 per bottle. Number 5 is Jot hardcover notebooks. These look and feel exactly like Moleskine journals that cost $20. They feature elastic closures, ribbon bookmarks, and cream-colored lined paper, perfect for bullet journaling or office notes. It is the most sophisticated stationery item in the store, great for students and professionals. At 4 is Dermasil Labs Skincare. Ignore the simple packaging. This is pharmaceutical-grade quality. Their lotions are comparable to Eucerin or CeraVe. It is fragrance-free, dermatologist-tested, and heals severe dry skin. A massive tube for $1.25 is an unbeatable value for anyone with sensitive skin or eczema. Number 3 is the Viral Lip and Cheek Jelly Tint. This is a near-perfect dupe for the $24 Milk Makeup Stain. It gives a sheer, buildable glass skin flush that lasts all day. The texture is cooling and blends like a dream. If you see it, grab every shade immediately. At number 2 is the Hydrating Lip Mask. This thick, glossy balm is a dupe for the famous Laneige Sleeping Mask. It heals chapped lips overnight and comes in vanilla or berry scents. You get the same luxury experience in soft lips for 95% less money. A total winter essential. And the number 1 best find is Brazilian Sol Body Butter. This is the exact scent dupe for the $48 Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It smells like pistachio and caramel and leaves skin non-greasy. Why pay $50 when you can smell like a millionaire for $1.25? Run, don't walk. That was 20 viral items. If you managed to find that body butter at number 1, you hit the jackpot. I've linked similar favorites in the description. Which item are you hunting for? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more budget hacks, and I'll see you in the next haul.